Morning everybody at Day 9. We're off to try and find some breakfast this morning. We've got a cooking class tonight and then temples this morning.
I'm going to see the Women's Correctional Centre.
So lots packed in today.
Yeah.
Gonna get some good breakfast. So
Yeah.
right to go.
Had another drinking session last night, so feeling a bit groggy today. All right. It's not a...
Let's get to 300 step start here, not down there. Then.
Who's counting?
Yeah.
Just them? There's no more after that? We got this.
Right, nearly.
Sukhothai that we go. Yeah. And Ayutthaya is next to Bangkok now. Yes. And in the south is Sivichai.
Sivichai.
Yeah, Sivichai. This one is maybe.
Hard to get the scale of it, isn't it? Because when you look at it, it doesn't look steep.
We call Yaw Pu Ying. Yaw Pu Ying is alphabet is represent for the ladies.
Oh yeah.
Yaw. This one we call Yaw. Pu Ying is mean ladies.
This is the Women's Correctional Facility that we're in now at the museum, telling us all the information about it all. Interesting, someone has sent, they've got some panels up here that say what some of the women did to get in here, and I think you get life for importing drugs into the country, but then 1 year for selling drugs in the country. So
There's a lot of drug stuff.
8 years for murder.
Yeah. And I think because of lack of money, they go to drugs to try and support themselves, which is really sad. But yeah, so it's very interesting.
But before we go to the kitchen, we're going to show you around the market.
Right, so we've got to the market. We're going to be looking at all the fresh produce and stuff that they sell that we'll be using in our cooking class, which we're going to go to straight after this market. So it should be fun.
Have to leave until they get older, until brown. We grind coconut meat into shredded, and then we're gonna add in this machine to squeeze to get the milk. You look. Now, this first squeeze, no water added. This one, more concentrated. Even have the gas stove going on to keep them warm. And this takeaway, you might curious that do they sitting scene in the morning? No. Even this market run all day long, but most of takeaway they brought to the market around from 3 o'clock or from it. We do not support to eat directly because very fiber. All right. Now after taste, your table is ready. Yeah. Thing to clean after.
Okay.
Ben's making
No,
tom
I don't
yum
mind doing
soup.
it.
We have the tea to do on it.
Oh, you did the garnish part. Wow.
All right. So if you taste and you like it, that is your bowl to serve. Yeah. You pour in there. And everyone the dumpling that you taste, they extract from this leaf. Yeah. At the side chain link. Yeah. And now you put in and tap and stir.
Last night. Richard, say goodbye. Bye-bye.